Hello guys and welcome to Celestia. This is potentially going to be a very huge project with a lot of airdrops coming this year, and I'm just trying to give you a quick overview how to join, how to get involved, how to stake it, and hopefully be very successful and make a lot of money in the future. And I'm gonna give you like a quick checklist as well, just to make it very simple checklist with links down below the video, just to make it as easy as possible, because I know these things can be confusing and there's a lot of confusing things like wallets. You have to have Keplr and token, but I'm trying to give you as easy as possible. Please do like and subscribe, it will help a lot, and let's just dive right in. Step now one, you will need to buy Keplr. Obviously you need to have a Keplr wallet to send it. The cheapest, easiest, fastest way would be probably to use some exchange. If you want to use MEXC or something similar that you have, go to spot trading. Each exchange has it. Search for TIA, which is Celestia USDT. If you have no money yet deposited, you can buy with card or deposit here. Make sure you deposit USDT. Make sure you send it to your spot wallet, which basically you will know when you see some amount here. Then go to market, buy TIA, choose the amount you wanna from your wallet. Let's say you want to buy 20 or something like that. Click buy. That's it, you're done. You've got TIA in your wallet. You go to your wallet and you have to create the Keplr wallet. The Keplr wallet, I'll put the links down below, will look something like this, and you have your TIA here, Celestia. You can deposit, you can click on deposit here, you can click on Celestia, will copy the address basically, and in your exchange you go to spot. You should see some Celestia. I have just withdrawn mine, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on withdrawal, and you'll find that Celestia that you just purchased, and you paste the address from the wallet. Just make sure, confirm a little bit, starts with Celestia and all those stuff. No memo tag needed for Keplr wallet. Once you have create the wallet, I'll put the link down below. Obviously the seed phrase, save them and stuff like that, and that's it. And you can send Celestia to yourself. I just literally did it a second ago. You can also click the dashboard button, which will bring you to the nice dashboard of Celestia, and make sure you go here to on the side. You've got those chains. I already marked them as favorites, but you'll see the chains as well. I think if you type TIA, yeah, you'll see Celestia. You can mark it as favorite, click on it, and you'll see something like this. This is the next step to stake it. So we have bought Celestia on exchange, or you can buy somewhere else if you have it. Send it to your Keplr wallet, create Keplr wallet, send it to your Keplr address, which is quite simple. Just make sure save the seed phrase from the wallet so you don't ever lose it. You can always log in. And then number 3, find the network on the right side. Click on dashboard, find the network, scroll down to the validators to stake it. Make sure you choose some outside of top 10. Let's say if you choose one of them, you see something like that. Better to choose something outside top 10 maybe, to have it more spread out. Maybe don't choose any with well-known exchanges in the name. Some less known, and obviously the commission as low as possible. You can do it like that. I opted in the end for this one. You can stake some in one and then a little bit more or same amount in the other one. Just make sure to spread it out a little bit. The APR is 15%. And this will give you the chance to stake, basically to get into the airdrop. So let me just stake some more here quickly. Let's say this one, Cosmos Station, stake. As you can see, you will lock funds for 21 days. So stake it, confirm in the wallet. That's it. The transaction fee 5 cents. So make sure you leave some Celestia for that as well. And that's it. We have staked now. As you can see, 1 Celestia is staked. That's all you have to do. There are more airdrops coming. I'll put the links in my Telegram, so make sure you join. I'll have it probably in DeFi channel, but there are different channels here, different topics, so you can all ask questions, ask me anything. I'll try to help you out. If you have any problem, I'm here to help you. and let's make some money on the airdrops, almost free money, because Celestia is growing nicely. It should go up as a coin itself, and then on top of it you'll be able to earn those airdrops. Yeah, I'll post it here in the airdrops, make it simple. All the Celestia airdrops, all the new stuff that I find will be posted here on my Twitter as well. So let's go ahead and make some money.